Hi beauties, it's your girl Syndie. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an install from Alipearl Hair. I'm installing a 22-inch deep wave hair. It's perfect for the summer months. You guys know it's getting warm, so I just love a deep wave for the summer. Just doing a quick unboxing, showing you guys what comes in the box. But then we have the hair. It's 22 inches. It's a 3x4 HD frontal lace. It's pre-plucked and bleached. It's pretty much ready to go, and you really don't have to do too much to install this hair because it comes pretty much done for you guys. Just giving you a close-up of what the hairline looks like. It's nice and pre-plucked. It looks pretty natural, and it's going to be easy to install. We're not even going to use any glue or anything. I will use a little bit of spray and some mousse just to get it to lay down nice and flat. But the first thing I like to do is to create a parting around my ears just to make sure that it fits perfectly. Sometimes what I like to do is put some bobby pins in place to hold it down, and then I'm going to take my scissors and just cut right around my ear. I just want to make sure that it fits nicely and that it's sitting flat. So I'll do that on both sides, and I find that using bobby pins and creating that part just gives you a guide to cut it and makes it so much easier to do. So that's what I'm going to do here. Next, what I'm going to do is start in the middle, and I'm going to cut the lace. I try to do zigzag motions as much as possible, just kind of following the hairline that's already pre-plucked and bleached and ready to go, just so that it looks nice and easy. And this lace is HD. It's really nice. It's almost invisible, so it makes it easy to cut, and it just looks really nice, blended nicely into the skin. So I love that about this unit. Now, this is what the hair is looking like with no product, straight out the packaging. It's very beautiful, nice and tight, and it has really big curls to it. It's a lot of density with this hair, so you just have to be mindful. It's nice, you know, for a little bit of change. I'm usually someone who goes a little bit shorter, but I was feeling the big fluffy hair, so I wanted to give you guys what it looks like straight out the box when you get it. Now for me, I am not a middle part girly, but I am a little bit. It's growing on me, but when it comes to curly hair, I am a side part girly through and through. So that's what we're gonna do here. But first, what I'm doing is I'm just cutting a few hairs, not really for baby hairs, but I guess just a little bit of something to add around the hairline to try to make it look a little bit more natural, so it's not too uniform with what's there. So I'm going to use my Got2b gel. I like to use this because it really keeps those hairs in place. It really makes them stick. They're not going anywhere. And then I'm going to do that on the other side as well. I'm applying a little bit of mousse just to kind of help me pull those hairs out of the way. I'll have everything linked down below for what I use, the mousse, the hairspray, the hair serum. Everything will be linked down below for you guys if you're looking for that. So this is a look. It's really cute, but not a middle part girl when it comes to deep waves. So I'm going to go ahead and create a part. I'm also going to just use my flat iron, not my flat iron, my hot comb, just to press that down. And I'm also going to apply a little bit of mousse, but I just love how a middle part looks. Not a middle part, I love how a side part looks with a deep wave. I feel like it's just more, it suits me a little bit more. So I'm using the hot comb just to press that down because it's been in the middle part and I want it to lay much flatter than what it looks like already. So I'm using this Giovanni hair serum that I picked up from Central Market. Number one, it smells absolutely amazing, and it gives this hair this nice soft feel, and I just feel like it smells so good. So I've been using that lately. I'm also going to go in with my olive oil wig spray. I'm only applying a little bit to the side here because I am going to pull the hair away, and I just want that side, and there's a little bit right there on the top just to hold it down. I usually do this when I'm doing a glueless install. I really don't need much. I just need a tiny bit just to hold it down. So this is the look. This is the big and fluffy look. I really love the big and fluffy look. It's fun. It's playful. And then we're gonna do some other hairstyles as well, but I want to give you guys what it looks like when you get it straight out the packaging. And so I'm also just pulling it up a little bit just to show you what it would look like if we were to do a little low bun. I just love deep wavy looks. Now for another look, I'm just taking some water because I couldn't find my spray bottle, and I'm just adding some water to this unit just to give us that wet and wavy, fresh out the water look. This is going to be good for those vacation days. I'm applying some of my Lot of Body mousse to that because I love using that mousse. It smells good, and I feel like it really does a good job of keeping those curls and giving us a little bit of that wet and wavy look. I'm also going to apply some more of that Giovanni hair serum as well, pretty much just to lock in all the moisture that we are applying to this hair, just so that it can stay nice and soft and hydrated throughout the day. Let me know in the comments which look you guys prefer. Are you a big and fluffy look, or are you a wet and wavy look? Personally, I think I like the big and fluffy look, but what's good about this unit is you can start off wet and wavy in the morning, and then throughout the day you have that big and fluffy feel. It just depends on how you're going. Just giving you guys a close-up of what the unit looks like on, because it is sitting, okay, lace wear. So this is pretty much the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this install. I'm going to show you guys some up-close shots of the hair and the final look. Let me know which is your favorite. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys in the description box about this hair, what I use to achieve this look, and how you can achieve it yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you beauties in my next video.